Hello, hello, my M to Z friends, or Tuesday, Friday friends, however you want to consider yourself. I'm going to talk to you quickly about your remote work for Monday and then what you're doing in class on Tuesday, because I'm going to be out of class on Tuesday. You'll have a sub because I have to go with my wife and Benny to some appointments that they have on Tuesday. So, you're in week 14. Here is the planner. When we look at it, your remote day Monday, spending some time starting that Windows and Mirrors project that I talked to you about on Friday. Either start reading your book, start watching part of a film. Once you have that book or film and you're started on it, I want to know what that book or film is. So in the independent reading section of OneNote, there's a form, and all you do is tell me what is it that you are reading and watching currently. So independent reading. At the very bottom, we'll say reading viewing choice, M to Z, class period. You only have to answer one of these, because if you read a book, you're writing the book title here. If you're watching a film, you put the film title there. That's your remote work for Monday. Tuesday, when I'm not here, you're going to have a sub. These two things, try to keep it fairly straightforward. That outline that you started last week, finish it. If you've already finished it, awesome. You're right on to revising and expanding it. How you do that is in OneNote, Overcoming Barriers tab. You had already copied your outline for the analytical or the bio poem from the content library and started it. Finish it up. Get all your lines drafted. Get your explanation drafted. Get your your intro, body, paragraph, conclusion, your 3 paragraphs for the analytical. Get them done. Once you've completed the outline, either one, I sent you, so you don't have to go to the content library, I sent you pages about how to revise and expand on what you already did. For the bio poem, there's a considerable amount of questions about how to revise and add content. There are 10 questions. Some of them have a underneath them of additional ideas. These relate to each line number in the poem. Go through these. Read them, ask yourself these questions. They're posed as questions to you, or questions you should be asking yourself, because that's how you revise. If I was there talking to you directly, these might be some of the things I'd ask you. This is also what I'm giving my A to Ls today so that everybody can get these questions. Once you've looked at the lines, think about, do you need to add any figurative language? And your examples are here. Consider your structure. It shouldn't just be a glob of lines. There should be different length lines. There should be different stanzas. Consider your stanza length. Consider the actual structure of the poem. And then just a few things about your resilience explanation. For my analytical people, there is this piece about revising and expanding. There's also some sample body paragraph feedback that Ms. McCusick shared with me. I thought your body paragraphs looks pretty good, but this might also give you some insight. When you revise and expand, you will go through these questions for those 3 different paragraphs. I think the biggest thing that some people haven't considered would be elements of art and principles of design and writing their body paragraphs, and also building a complete story of resilience, not just getting 4 things and trying to end it. If you have questions, concerns, or worries, let me know. Send me an email. I'll try to get back to you before the end of the day tomorrow, but I will be a little bit busy. And know that once you complete that outline, you're revising and expanding. So our next day, we will prepare this to actually be submitted. What that means is we'll take a look at the rubric on Friday. We'll talk about doing a peer draft or a peer review, and then we'll put it on a final Word document to be submitted. So today, complete that outline, revise and expand that first draft. Tomorrow, Wednesday, I will see you on Zoom. Make sure you follow the new Zoom times that are posted on Schoology. Have a great day.